Imagine waking up to find two bright suns in the sky instead of one. It sounds like science fiction, but in reality, binary star systems, where two stars orbit each other, make up over half of all star systems in our galaxy. In fact, our solar system barely missed becoming a two-sun world. So what would happen if Earth orbited two stars instead of one? A binary star system consists of two stars bound by gravity orbiting one another. Depending on their size, distance, and alignment, Earth's orbit could either remain stable or become catastrophic. If one star were larger, its stronger gravity could pull Earth toward it, potentially destroying the planet. On the other hand, if both stars' gravity were too weak, Earth could drift into space as a rogue planet, frozen and lifeless. Even if Earth orbited just one of the stars, life would still face danger. Double radiation would make nights rare, and no sunscreen could protect us from harmful ultraviolet exposure. To remain habitable, Earth would need to orbit both stars at a carefully calculated distance. Too close, and the planet would overheat. Too far, and water would freeze, making life impossible. Imagine each star being slightly dimmed versions of our Sun, positioned close enough to maintain stable orbits, but far enough to keep the planet warm. Days and nights would become more complex. Instead of a simple 24-hour cycle, Earth would experience a regular but intricate pattern of light and shadow, with double sunsets every day. Seasons would also be different. When both stars align on the same side of Earth, we would experience warmer, enhanced summers, while when the stars are on opposite sides, the seasons would be milder, with gentle temperature swings. Tides would shift slightly due to the distant gravity of the second sun, though the moon would still dominate ocean cycles. Life on a two-sun Earth would evolve in remarkable ways. Plants might develop new forms of photosynthesis, tracking one or both suns across the sky. Animals could evolve unique adaptations, like specialized eyes to detect each sun's light, or behaviors tuned to shifting shadows. Humans might even see a broader spectrum of light, potentially perceiving infrared or ultraviolet, revealing colors invisible to us today. Imagine a world where we could literally see beyond the range of normal human vision. Civilization itself would evolve in unique ways. Early astronomers would study two celestial objects, giving humanity a head start in understanding orbital mechanics and gravity. Agriculture would adapt to dual sun cycles, with crops planted according to predictable sunlight variations. Ancient mythologies and religions would likely feature two sun gods, inspiring unique art, stories, and cultural practices. These cultural and technological developments would shape humanity in ways we can hardly imagine. Even space exploration would be different. Calculations for spacecraft would have to account for the gravitational influences of two stars, making navigation more complex. The search for habitable planets would focus more on binary systems, potentially accelerating our understanding of planetary science and exoplanet discovery. While our single-sun solar system seems simple, it's actually the odd one out. Most stars in the galaxy have partners, and somewhere out there, civilizations may be evolving under two suns, wondering what it would be like to live with just one. Imagine the skies filled with double sunsets every day, the warmth of two suns on your skin, and nights that might never fully darken. Life, biology, culture, and technology would all be shaped by the constant presence of twin stars, creating a world that is familiar yet utterly alien. The delicate balance of Earth as we know it reminds us how special a single sun can be. But imagining two suns helps us explore possibilities far beyond our current reality. It's a breathtaking thought, one that shows just how fragile and unique our home planet really is.